Sarap pakinggan. Tay, salamat po sa pinadala nyo. Nakapaghanda na po si nanay. May cake, spaghetti, at yung favorite natin na fried chicken. Sana tayo magkasama tayo ngayon nagse-celebrate. Happy birthday po sa ating dalawa, Tay. I love you po.
Kaibigan, dama namin ang sakripisyo na kalakip ng bawat padala. Kaya naman ang alay namin, pera padala at serbisyong maaasahan. Alden Richards po para sa Cebuana Luwilier. Alagang binibigay mo, ibabalik namin sa'yo. Kaibigan, ka-Cebuana.
From Viva International Pictures and MVP Entertainment comes the smashing finale to the Ip Man trilogy. When a corrupt businessman attempts to take over the city, Ip Man takes a stand. Martial arts superstar Danny Yan and boxing living legend Mike Tyson in Ip Man 3. In cinemas, starting May 11, 2016. Don't miss it.
Do Chris and Pinoy have time to talk? Ano nga bang real score ng Alda? Kamusta kaya ang buhay mag-asawa ni Dingdong and Marian? Anong klaseng asawa kaya si Annabel Rama? Wonder no more! Here is Conversations for More! Also featuring Piolo Pascual, Sam Milby, and more than 60 other celebs. Juicy, controversial, straight from the stars. Written by Entertainment Authority, Ricky Law. Conversations for More with Ricky Law. Available in all national bookstores and power books. Brought to you by RJ Books.
Zamboanga City's 103.5 Oomph Radio DXUE. Today's hottest.
You're gonna be there.
OPM and international hits.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And who's giving it to you?
Radio. 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 Sa Cebu, Davao at Zamboanga, meron kang solid na makakasama. Di ka mababato, siguradong mapapanganga. Magdamag ang tugtugin na magara. Radio. Sarap pakinggan. 103.5 Radio. Sarap pakinggan. 103.5 Pwede bang isa pa please? Isa pang na para sa mabangis. Radio. Sarap pakinggan. 103.5 Radio. Sarap pakinggan.
All the hits starts now. Oomph Radio 103.5.
Sorry seems to be the hardest one.